Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, I'm going to give you a quick rundown of like 5 or 6 stores with Christmas clearance and when you can find the biggest savings. And I'm talking stuff like ornaments, gift wraps, stuff that you wouldn't run out for on the 26th, but pretty amazing stuff. So the first store that we have is everybody's favorite pharmacy, Walgreens. And right now, which is December the 26th, 50% off of most merchandise. And one thing you probably won't be able to track down, if not maybe just one, are gift sets, because everybody's going really hard across the board for those gift sets. But other things like, possibly if you can get that cute little dupe Stanley for 80% off, or a cotton candy machine. I mean, that's what we love. And there are so many adorable items in their Christmas line that I think they just really, really nailed it this year, because it's just adorable stuff that I want to gift for next year. So looking at the dates, as stated, the 26th is when it went 50% off, and you can just look that up in the app right now. My prediction is that January 6th or 7th, which will be next Monday or Tuesday, we're going to see some movement where it'll either go 70 or 80%, and then the following week, possibly 80 if it goes 70. So if you have Walgreens cash, register rewards, and you want to get some stuff for next year, I recommend you buy yourself a really nice Sterilite tote so you can keep all your stuff dust-free and looking great. But these are tentatively the dates, looking at other years when you can expect for things to pop off. If you're on social media, obviously everybody will be talking when it hits 80 or 90%. Just a rule of thumb. Next store that we have is Dollar General. A lot of you are asking about this, so I've looked at the last couple years to get a pinpoint on the dates for the quarter and 10-cent clearance. Well, they have a huge assortment of items, and even when this stuff is at 50%, I think because the way that the economy is right now here in the US, people don't have the disposable income to go crazy at 50% for these dish towels or what have you. But in some years, when it hits a quarter, I certainly can fill up a basket pretty quickly, and it is just one of the funnest shopping experiences. So as stated, the 26th, we are at 50% off of the merchandise. If you open up the app, most items should be ringing up 50% off. Now, from the last many years, this is my prediction. On Tuesday, January the 21st, the remaining Christmas merchandise will be sold for a quarter each. You can get huge, huge hauls, very little out of pocket. The following Tuesday, which is the 28th, it'll be 10 cents. And then the following Tuesday after that, February the 4th, it'll be a penny. The frustrating thing is it's probably will hit 70 for a while, and it'll stay at 70% till it goes to a quarter. And it's just like a waiting game at the Dollar General. The next store that we have is Walmart. Obviously, those gift sets are probably gone. It's about noon on the 26th, and people go really hard for that. Lots of these items, I would definitely open up the Walmart app and scan the barcodes, including all these different Dawn power washes like pumpkin spice, cranberry, Squishimals, wrapping paper, just the meat and potato stuff that you need for next year's Christmas if you have a larger family, or if you just love Christmas like some of us. And some of these items, open up that app and scan the barcode, because you might be surprised, like it doesn't look Christmassy, but it is Christmassy. And that Stony Clover makeup case, I want all of them. Right now, ornaments, also a great gift. This is my haul from last year. It was very inexpensive, and I just adore when Walmart goes 90. Here's my prediction. As of the 26th, we're 50% off. On the 1st, I think it's either going to hit 75 or 90. A couple years on New Year's Day, it's been 90, and it's like, get to the store. And whenever it goes 90 on the 1st, I get a huge haul because nobody's out there. Now, if they do a 75 week and then later, like the 8th, for example, it goes 90, that'll be the day to start the cart and run to Walmart. But yeah, these are the dates as of now, and these are predictions. It might change, and if you're on social media, we will let you know ASAP. My favorite, Bath & Body Works. I made a complete dedicated video to the semi-annual sale. If you want to check it out, I'll link it at the end. The semi-annual sale started today, which is December the 26th, and it goes into, I think, the second or third week of January. So there's a lot of moving parts to this. If you are an IBOTTA user and you might have a gift card, it's definitely a way to get a haul on the cheap. The 10 off 40 digital coupon showed up in my Bath & Body Works account. So I mean, it's just absolutely fantastic. I will link this video with a lot of information at the very end. Last store we're going to talk about is Big Lots. A little bit before Christmas, they announced they're closing all 900 locations, which is really sad. And I don't know if they're just going to completely close it down sooner than that, or are they going to wait till February, as it's been described in many different, places on Reddit, social media. I don't know. But I do know that there's a lot of really nice Christmas merchandise, and I could get like an entire haul for like 50 cents. It was always a favorite place for me to shop. So whenever I do get the information for Big Lots, going like 90 specifically, I'll let you guys know. But this is one store that's always kind of forgotten. And if you can wait later in January, you could probably get a really nice haul with really cool stuff. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.